Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move a column in Excel. Um, we can do it with multiple columns too, but today I will show you how to do it with only one column. You can do this trick with multiple columns too. So let's just say we want to shift this data from from A column to B column. So what we have to do is just select our A column and press shift and then put a cursor here after until this start type pointer doesn't appear. Okay, press shift first and move it. Here you can see our column has moved from A to B and B has become the A. You can do it with column C, column D too. Let's try it out. As you can see, it's done. So you can do it with multiple columns too. It's just as easy as that. So I hope this video helps you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for today.